Yeah, this phone works a little different than my other one. Let's see here. Yeah, take those miles out. Got my car there, getting stuff took out of it. I had to remove some of this stuff. I didn't. Someone else removed it for me. I still got some trash to take out of this, but I'm not picky. Yeehaw! Matching my car. Yay! Blah, gray. But anyways, oh yes. Get my stuff put in. Today's a Thursday. I got a wedding one not to go to, so take my off my car when I get done, and be ready Monday at 8. Out for at least 30 days. To that boat, that mud flaps. Oh yeah. And look, yay! Look, I got me a fender mirror. Ain't that something? Yep. Watch out for this number. Get out of my way. 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 Because I got automatic. Ah, there's the inspection. Let's look where the daggum thing was at. 2014. I'm good until next time. But anyways, enough of that. Enough of that craziness. Oh, bye-bye.